Okay everybody, this is the completely rebuilt Kalamazoo, and when I say rebuilt, we had to do a complete removal of this H-bracket, and you can see this new bolt assembly we put in, all these brand new nice stainless steel bolts with simple nut systems on the back. So there's 3 here, there's 3 on this side, there's 4 on each burner, and if you look close you can see 1 there and 1 there, so there's 4, 4, and then 6 here, so that comes to 14 bolts overall that had to be drilled out, cleaned of the rust and the grease completely, and then completely reinstalled. Now when we got the H-bracket out, we found that there were nuts welded on the underside of that H-bracket, so we took that to a machinist and we ground those off immediately so that we could put on a universal nut and bolt system exactly like all these other bolts. That will make repair of this a lot easier when new burners have to be put on again. So the other thing I want to mention is new flex tubing. There was new flex tubing. So if you were to drop this flex tube panel right here, you'd be able to see the flex tubes coming in, going through holes here in the panel, and then connecting to the valves right here. Okay, so what we're going to do in this particular video is do a burner check of all this. So what we'll do is we just take this guy right here, turn the gas on, and you can hear it, and then come over here with our manual igniter, and you hear that whoosh, and then we'll do the same thing over here on this one, and that will auto ignite. That's exactly what you want to hear. That's good news there. And then we're gonna light the front burner on this one. And then just turn on the back burner for that, make sure that it works, and there you see. Okay, so we've got that, all of the entire new burner system working. It's exactly what you want in this kind of a service. It's a huge repair job. The other thing we got working again, we were able to manually light this for the rotisserie. The igniters are shot there, but we can go ahead and ignite that too. We'll flip the gas on, and there you can see the flame coming out of that little gauze pad. So what that's for is for the rotisserie. So you set the rotisserie across this beam. There's a pole right here, it goes across, it spins, and then this is the rotisserie unit right here. And we got all of the entire burner system is working on this grill again, which is absolutely fabulous news for the customer, because the grill this was a totally dead on this side, and this one was just not cooking correctly at all. Puts out a lot of heat. The other issue here is that the customer went a little too long and burned out the thermometer, so we've removed that so we can go and find a replacement part for that. And it was just burned out basically. So with the burner's not working right, the grease was going up into the hood and just resonating there and burning, and so it just got too hot. So you see a lot of grease that's really ground on here around the base. We got a lot of it off, at least to the point where the grill will work great again. But this is a 16-year-old Kalamazoo, so it's cost prohibitive. It's about $20,000 to replace it, and I just wanted to do this burner check with you to show you that we can do major repairs too. I think the customer will be really happy with this. So we'll work on getting a new thermometer. We'll do a final check, make sure the thing's running up the temperature correctly, but the burners are in. Huge job, and just absolutely thrilled we were able to do that. Okay everybody, thank you. That's another video from the Cary Grill Cleaner. Bye bye.